Welcome to the YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub, your one-stop solution for expert guidance, best practices, and actionable knowledge in the world of contact centers. Explore, learn, and enhance contact center skills. In this presentation, we'll explore how artificial intelligence is reshaping ASA performance, from forecasting call volumes and optimizing staffing to real-time monitoring, intelligent call routing, and automation-driven solutions. By the end, you'll understand not only how AI reduces wait times but also how it drives better customer experience, higher efficiency, and stronger service levels, helping organizations achieve faster, smarter, and more consistent call handling. Let's start with one of the most powerful ways AI improves average speed of answer, through call volume forecasting and workforce management. AI doesn't just look at yesterday's call counts. It analyzes historical call data, seasonal patterns, marketing campaigns, product launches, even external factors like holidays or weather events, to predict demand with remarkable accuracy. For example, imagine a product launch scheduled for next week. AI models can forecast a 30% surge in call volumes before it even happens. With this insight, workforce management systems can proactively schedule additional agents at the right times, in the right queues, ensuring service levels are maintained and ASA targets stay intact. The impact? No more frantic last-minute staffing changes. No more customers waiting endlessly in queues during peak hours. Instead, agents are ready, response times stay low, and the overall customer experience improves significantly. In short, AI transforms forecasting from a guessing game into a precision-driven strategy, directly reducing ASA and keeping service delivery predictable and efficient. Another powerful application of AI in improving average speed of answer is intelligent call routing. Traditional call distribution often works on a first-come, first-served basis or uses limited menu options in IVR systems. This leads to call transfers, longer wait times, and frustrated customers. AI changes this completely. Using skills-based routing, customer history, and even real-time sentiment analysis, it ensures each call goes directly to the best-suited agent the first time. Take this example, a customer calls in with a billing issue. Instead of waiting in a general queue or explaining their problem to multiple agents, the system instantly identifies the context and routes the call straight to a billing specialist. The result? No unnecessary call transfers, reduced queue time, and a much faster first response. Customers feel heard, agents handle cases they're best equipped for, and the overall ASA improves dramatically. Now, let's talk about conversational AI and virtual agents, a game changer for managing call volumes and improving average speed of answer. With AI-powered chatbots and voice bots, routine and repetitive inquiries, like checking account balances, updating contact information, or resetting passwords, are handled instantly without human intervention. For example, imagine a bank's IVR bot that answers thousands of balance inquiries automatically every day. These are calls that would have otherwise gone to human agents, crowding the queue and increasing wait times. By deflecting such routine requests to AI-powered bots, the system lightens the load on live agents. This means when a customer calls with a complex or sensitive issue, they reach a qualified human agent much faster because the queue is no longer clogged with simple requests. The impact is clear: fewer calls waiting, shorter ASA, and a more efficient contact center where agents focus on the cases that truly need human empathy and expertise. Finally, let's look at real-time intraday management, where AI takes ASA optimization to the next level. Instead of waiting for end-of-day reports, AI tools monitor ASA in real time. They continuously track call queues, agent availability, and service level agreements. For example, imagine your ASA target is 20 seconds. The moment AI detects that the average wait time has climbed to 25 seconds, it instantly alerts managers and suggests corrective actions. This could mean adding remote agents, reassigning staff from low-volume queues, or even rescheduling agent breaks, all in real time. The result? Immediate intervention before SLA breaches occur, ensuring customers are not left waiting and service quality stays consistently high. Finally, let's talk about agent assist tools, AI-powered solutions designed to make agents faster and more effective in every interaction. These tools work in the background, providing real-time suggestions, knowledge-based snippets, and even automated note-taking while the call is in progress. Picture this: as the conversation unfolds, AI instantly identifies the issue, surfaces the right answers from the knowledge base, and auto-summarizes the entire call. The benefit? Agents spend less time searching for information or doing post-call wrap-ups, and more time helping the next customer. The impact on average speed of answer is significant: shorter handle times, faster queue clearance, and consistently low ASA, even during peak hours. Finally, let's explore sentiment and priority detection, where AI takes call handling beyond speed into the realm of customer experience intelligence. AI continuously analyzes caller tone, word choice, and urgency signals in real time. When it detects a highly negative sentiment or flags a call as critical, it automatically prioritizes that call in the queue. For example, a customer expressing frustration over a billing error is instantly flagged as high priority. Instead of waiting in line, their call jumps the queue to reach a skilled agent immediately. This ensures that critical situations are handled swiftly without disrupting overall ASA targets. The result? Faster resolutions for sensitive issues, higher customer satisfaction, and stronger brand trust. Now, let's look at the impact of artificial intelligence on average speed of answer and how it cascades across key call center KPIs. AI transforms every stage of contact center operations. In call volume management, AI-driven forecasting and scheduling ensure the right number of agents are available, keeping ASA low even during call surges and improving service level compliance. Next, routing efficiency. AI uses skills-based and intent-based routing to connect customers with the right agent the very first time. The result? Faster call handling, higher first call resolution, and better customer satisfaction. Through automation, via IVR bots, chatbots, and self-service portals, AI deflects routine inquiries, reducing the burden on live agents. This not only lowers ASA but also cuts cost per call and boosts agent productivity. With real-time monitoring, AI issues intraday alerts and reallocates resources dynamically, preventing SLA breaches before they happen and ensuring consistent service performance. In the area of agent productivity, AI assist tools deliver real-time knowledge and automate call summarization, enabling agents to wrap up faster and reduce queue times, leading to lower average handle time and higher quality scores. Finally, for customer experience, sentiment analysis and priority handling ensure critical or frustrated customers get faster responses, directly lifting CSAT and NPS scores. In short, AI doesn't just improve ASA, it elevates the entire customer experience while optimizing operational efficiency. Beyond the immediate gains in efficiency, artificial intelligence delivers long-term strategic impact on call center performance and customer experience. First, cost optimization. By reducing average speed of answer without unnecessary overstaffing, AI helps lower operational expenses while maintaining service quality. Second, scalability. AI allows organizations to handle sudden call surges, such as product launches or seasonal spikes, without compromising service levels or overwhelming agents. Third, employee experience. With AI taking over repetitive tasks, agents experience less manual workload and lower burnout, ensuring consistent ASA performance and higher staff retention. And finally, customer loyalty. A combination of consistently low ASA and higher first call resolution rates builds trust and long-term loyalty, strengthening the brand's reputation and customer relationships. In essence, AI doesn't just solve today's challenges, it lays the foundation for future-ready, customer-centric call center operations. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. See you in the next video.